Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the auction. Normally, we will be producing videos with both John and myself in it, but tonight, the main thing I wanted to bring here was a video of the cold start. This truck has not ran in, I think, about 2 weeks. I know definitely a week. Likely, I think it's been about 2 weeks. And so what we want to do here is just, since it hasn't ran in so long, I want to do the cold start. At this time, normally when we're producing videos, the trucks are in the other direction in the shop. But since we've had the opportunity here to do the cold start before we turn it around, I wanted to get that out of the way. So I put the thermometer in here. It's kind of a warm day, evening I should say. It's about midnight right now, but still our temperature is, as you can see, 75 degrees, high 74, 75 degrees. So not truly a really cold start, but the truck hasn't ran for quite some time. So here we go. Like I said, it hasn't ran in a week or two, so I'm just counting on the fact that it will run, so that it will start. I know it'll run, but counting on the fact it will start right up.